Hello everyone, this is Aisha. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make veg momos. Here are the listed ingredients of the momos. Let's start with today's recipe. Add all-purpose flour, add salt, add oil, add water and knead a dough. Now let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take mashed potatoes, add onions, chili flakes, salt, black pepper powder and mix. Now cut into circles with the help of the cap. Add the mixture and chop it as shown. Take a pan and place a plate on it. Close it and place all the momos on it. Steam it for about 10 to 15 minutes and enjoy. Do like and subscribe if you like my video. I need your support and love. Thank you. Goodbye.